hatujaiharibu kitu. Mbona tunakula tear gas? Hatuna haki sisi watu wa UNC ama ni aje? Hatuna haki. Mnyonge ana haki Kenya.
Our employer is Minister of Health, headed by the one, Mr. Adan Duale, who was 7 years against our words. The only thing that we are telling Mr. Duale is that he has to come out clear on our issue. And our issue is P&P and gratuity. The excessive force that is being used by our officers against those who are unarmed is quite impeccable. It is quite we are only having stethoscopes. What have we done to deserve all these people force? We are not children of another God. We are here to present our petition. Yes. We have presented many times. So if our petition can only be carried by our officers who are supposed to be helping us, protecting us, protection, then we'll be here, and not only our people have died. We have 45 who have died. Right now, yesterday, we don't know where some of our members are. Look at it. What are we going to do? What have we done to deserve all this? Are we children of a lesser God? No! We are not children of a lesser God. We are demanding for our rights. And it is the Constitution that we are entitled to permanent and punishable job after you are duly interviewed. And so we are not backing up. We are not going to go back to job unless we get what is rightfully. Comrade power! We are sending this message again to our president. Kindly, if you really love this nation, And if you really love us, then spare the billions of shillings that has been allocated for renovation of that house.
Yeah.
So kindly, go back to work. No one should go back to work. No intimidation. And we're also sending messages to our CCs. When you want to intimidate what you want to Kwamba will be coming for you. Kama si hapa, you are not an employer. You will disown us. We should not be intimidated. So let us stay put. Comrades power! Comrades power! Let me call Shiro. ametekwa nyara na wale ambaye wanateka nyara watu wakija katika ministry. Na sisi tunaomba kwamba the only savior for these people, it is the Senate and it is the National Assembly. Na kwa hivyo tunaomba sauti yako utamke, na tunaomba msimame na watu hao, kwa sababu wanaumia, hawana uwezo wa kupeleka watoto wao shule, hawana uwezo wa kukula, hawana hata uwezo wa kulipa. Umepigwa tiaga.
Thank you. My voice is not very good because I'm speaking a lot. I will tell you that your issue is with us. There are very many of us in here who understand what you're going through. Please keep fighting as we fight these cartels that are in here. I want to tell you, we know what you are saying. We understand it. You don't have to convince me. I've received messages from many of you. We know what you're going through. We understand what is. What is very sad about our country is not that the money is not there.
Sure.
They are either stealing it, eating it, or giving their friends tenders everywhere. So to us, it's hard, but we are in there. We have been talking since morning with colleagues. We have said we are again trying to bring a motion here. I sit in the budget committee. We are telling our chairman that he must raise the money that you people are going to be paid. Let me finish by saying, Anuta continua, don't give up yet. Don't give up, keep fighting. We are here. If it means you come here every day, keep coming. Thank you. And I want to pronounce myself. The bad behavior when people are demonstrating peacefully, then police officers are coming here to throw tear gas. The question I keep asking, what happened to our Kenyan humanity? So afande, hawa watu hawana shida, hawa na watoto wenu, wacha watulie, watamalizana hii maneno, hii pesa wakilipwa na nyinyi sasa muulize pay raise, kwa sababu hata ninyi hamna mshahara.
Asante sana. Tena siku ya leo tumekuja hapa, tumekuja kwa sababu tena tumekuja kutafuta haki yetu.